Today, we're going to explore the best time to visit Thailand. We'll cover everything you need to know about the weather, crowds, and festivals throughout the year. So, whether you're planning a beach getaway or an adventure in the mountains, we've got you covered. First, let's talk about the weather. Thailand has three main seasons: the cool season, the hot season, and the rainy season. The cool season, from November to February, is generally considered the best time to visit Thailand. The weather is dry and temperatures are more comfortable, ranging from 20 degrees to 30 degrees Celsius, or 68 degrees to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. This is perfect for exploring cities, hiking, and enjoying the beaches. The hot season, from March to May, can be quite intense, with temperatures soaring above 35 degrees Celsius, or 95 degrees Fahrenheit. While it can be a bit too hot for some activities, it's a great time to visit Thailand's beautiful islands and beaches, where you can cool off in the crystal clear waters. Finally, the rainy season, from June to October, brings heavy but brief downpours. While the rain can be a drawback, it's also the best time to experience Thailand's lush landscapes and vibrant greenery. Plus, it's the off-peak season, so you'll find fewer tourists and lower prices. Now, let's talk about the crowds. Understanding when and where you'll encounter the most tourists can help you plan your trip better. The peak season in Thailand is from November to February. This is when the weather is at its best, and you'll find the most tourists. Popular destinations like Bangkok, Chiang Mai, and the islands can get quite crowded. If you prefer a quieter experience, consider visiting lesser-known destinations or traveling during the shoulder seasons. The shoulder seasons, from March to May and September to October, are great times to visit if you want to avoid the crowds. You'll still enjoy good weather, especially in March and April, and the prices for accommodations and flights are usually lower. During the low season, from June to October, you can experience Thailand at its most peaceful. While the rain can be a factor, it often comes in short bursts, leaving plenty of time for exploration. This is also when you'll find the best deals on accommodations and tours. Lastly, let's dive into some of Thailand's most exciting festivals. Timing your visit to coincide with these events can make your trip even more memorable. One of the most famous festivals is Songkran, the Thai New Year, celebrated in April. This water festival is a nationwide event, with people taking to the streets for water fights, parades, and religious ceremonies. It's an unforgettable experience, but be prepared to get wet. Another magical festival is Loi Krathong, held in November. People release decorated floats, or krathongs, into rivers to honor the water spirits. In northern Thailand, Yipeng is celebrated simultaneously, where thousands of lanterns are released into the sky, creating a breathtaking spectacle. In October, the Vegetarian Festival takes place, primarily in Phuket and other southern regions. It's a 9-day event where participants follow a strict vegetarian diet and engage in various rituals. The street processions and food offerings are fascinating to witness. So, when is the best time to visit Thailand? It really depends on what you're looking for. Whether you want perfect weather, fewer crowds, or to experience Thailand's vibrant festivals, there's always something special happening in this beautiful country. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel tips and guides.
Pack your bags, we're hitting the skies. Thailand's calling, sunshine rise. Golden beaches, waves so clear, laughter flowing everywhere. Tuk-tuks rolling down the street, smiling faces all we meet. Spices sizzling in the air, every moment fun to share. Paradise in Thailand. Feel the sand in your hand. Dance all night in the land, where the good vibes expand. Elephants walking jungle trails, exploring temples grand and frail. Bright lanterns light the starry night, everything just feels so right. Market stalls, colors so bright, finding treasures left and right. Coconut drinking in the shade, memories that never fade. Now